Tapos bilang.
Tama yung sinabi ni Bel, lahat naman tayo. You know, we have some form of red flag inside of us, you know. Lahat naman tayo, di ba? Wala namang perfectong tao. Um, I think I saw it more here in the show than before seeing a person as a flag, you have to understand that they went through a lot of stuff, which is why they got to that point. So, yeah, they could be a red flag here, but maybe it's because they didn't have a father growing up, or they lost a loved one, or they're showing their insecurities through that red flag. Pero di mo alam na red flag yun sa'yo. So, you have to also, before judging someone, understand they're going through a lot. And yeah, red flags can be seen everywhere, especially in industries like this, you know, in all workplaces. But I think it's very important that you surround yourself with people who you will lift you up. And if people have red flags, especially if you're close to them, and you have the privilege of telling them, kasi minsan tama, hindi mo talaga makikita yun eh. It doesn't help to have a conversation. It helps to have a conversation about it, you know. Kasi minsan pag pinag-uusapan yun, doon nila makikita. Doon nila parang malalaman na may way pala na I can get through this, you know, and maybe I was blinded by it because of something that happened with me in the past. I don't know, you know.
Pero challenge yun, ha?
Very
Tell
big
somebody na, hey, this is your red flag, uy, ganito ka.
Yeah.
Medyo,
Yeah.
unless,
Take it with caution.
Yeah.
yun, di ba? Unless
they ask.
Yeah.
It's nice
But
if they ask.
Can I just add to what he said? Totoo yan, because I remember I said this before, and there are no bad people. People are just doing bad decisions because of their bad situations or bad experiences. So, yeah, I agree.
May second question